Hey guys, hey, this is Jason here. So I told you guys the story about the squatter I had. Basically, what happened was I had this house. This was last year, last March or April. Had this house. I told this guy that I talked to this guy about renting it, and I just had somebody move out. Talked to him about renting it, and next thing I know, the guy's living in my house. Well, anyway, he was squatting in here, and this guy knew like every trick in the book as far as staying in the house and getting the eviction dismissed and all that stuff. Usually in South Carolina, it's pretty quick. Usually 3-4 weeks you can have somebody out. But we just got possession of the house back, and this is like only part of the stuff. It's only part of the stuff. The guy basically, I'll tell you, he had the water cut off because he was stealing water. I hadn't figured out how he was doing it, but he somehow or another he was hooking it up down there in the meter box so that he could actually have water there. He had an old shed here, and he had an old truck, and he had stuff piled up all around the meter box back there so that he couldn't get to it. I'm not sure what the angle was with this, but he actually painted the house. It was a brown color, then he painted it yellow, then he painted it this blue color. But this is only part of the trash. Look, he was stealing cable. He had cable ran from over there. Here's the back. We showed up to the eviction hearing, this last one, where we got the eviction granted, and he claimed that I gave him the house. That's why he was not planning to move, because it was given to him, but I don't know who he was talking to. But he had all this trash here. I think he had the trash and the thing here, and I'm pretty sure he was stealing electricity because there was no he had a pay-as-you-go account, and basically the pay-as-you-go account never had money on it, so he had something going on. I mean, this guy was a master. I kept calling the police and stuff, and turned out the guy had 7 warrants on him, but for some reason they would not do it. And I'll tell you what else he did. Like back, he pulled up the roof in a couple of places and actually let it leak in the house and wouldn't let me go in and fix it or anything. And basically he said that, claimed that I was letting him live in a house with mold. Basically we had to pull up the floor a lot here. My kitchen cabinets, I'll tell you what he did. I don't really know. We put them back together, or mostly back together, but he'd actually taken them apart. See where the roof leaked? But he'd taken the kitchen cabinets apart, and he actually had them on Facebook for sale. And I messaged him and told him that if they went here, that I was going to make sure he went to jail. He actually had a dog. You can't see it, but he had a dog in here. The roof leaked in there. He had a dog in there. So yeah, we had several places just on this one side where the roof leaked. This was the master bedroom. Already cleaned it up. Kitchen cabinets. Roof leaked in here. Still got some work to do. So it looked like they just took and opened the back door and just threw stuff out. There's the kitty litter box. So this bathroom, there's a hole in the floor there. The bathroom sink stuff's gone. He actually sold my kitchen sink. He painted this one blue. I'll tell you what, they wrote on. I think his kid wrote on the outlets. I don't really know what that means. If you know what that means, go ahead and put it in the comments and let me know. I don't really know what this one means either, but I thought that was real weird. There's a mirror in here that's all broke up too, and see this whole side of the house, the ceiling leaked. But there's a mirror in here too, where she wrote all kind of like stuff on the mirror and busted it all up. Yeah, this room was painted pink. They actually sold my kitchen cabinets, our kitchen sink on Facebook. Sold my appliances on Facebook. And when we showed up to court, I had all this stuff where they'd been for sale. But anyway, this is just the start of it. It actually looks a lot better today than what it looked like before. I'll show you guys this real quick here. So yeah, all that trash has got to go. We pulled out of the house so we can go ahead and start working. It's going to get picked up hopefully today if it doesn't rain. So yeah, this is just old double wide. But yeah, it looks like he literally just done everything. But see, here's where you can see where the house was. It was originally that brown color, and then he painted this yellow color. Then he painted it this blue color. I'm not sure what the deal was. But he had no utilities, but apparently he had Dish Network because he installed that. But look here, look at the cable wire. You know, and like I said, man, I'd call the police. I'd tell him where he was. I'd tell him everything, you know. Tell him he had warrants out for him. I knew he had warrants out for him. And he just wouldn't come to the door. And the police just, for some reason, couldn't get him. Now that he's gone, they've contacted me a couple times looking for him. And, I mean, it's too late. I don't know where the guy is. I wish I did. I'd like for him to come clean up all his mess. But anyway, this is maybe I can do another one that's like the after, but we got a little bit of work to do here. But anyway, you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.